to get water. We had a big storm last night, and so our rain barrels are full, and I'm gonna show you how we get our drinking water. You guys have nest boxes for a reason, you know. Hey, oh, you don't do that. Oh, that one's warm. You got any under here? He's not gonna attack you, he's fine. Yeah. Let me try to grab all these. Hold on, come here and help me with these eggs. Can you take these? Make a pocket. Hold it like that. Oh, I'm sorry. I know. I'm sorry. There we go. Hey, hey, come back out here. Okay, you go.
I don't get water from the water.
Yeah.
Oh, well.
All right, first we need to get the wagon. Let's go find the wagon and put these eggs away.
How about we can put the eggs in the wagon?
Well, we can do that, but we gotta find the wagon. Oh, there it is.
There it is.
In your fort.
That's it.
Mm-hmm. Careful.
One more. Hopefully,
So we have a Berkey. We have the biggest one that they offer.
Mom, it's shaking too much.
It's okay. Be scrambled eggs. We won't have to scramble them for breakfast.
Just put them on the boodle.
Okay, that's fine. So we got the biggest one that they offer because we have such a big family. And we really like it a lot. We set up these rain barrels so we can catch our water, and then we'll filter it through the Berkey. And it really tastes good. We are on a well, but the water is really gross. It's really sulfury, and we don't drink it.
Because
I don't even, what?
you get sick when you drink it.
Yeah, it'll give you a tummy ache to drink it, won't it?
Mm-hmm.
And we have a filtration system, but either it hasn't caught up yet or it's just not working well or something. So we don't use it for drinking. We use it for, you know, washing dishes and stuff, but I don't even use it in cooking. So this is how we get our water. We plan on building more, but these are the ones that we have for now, and they're pretty full. They're pretty full right now because we just had this huge storm last night. Mm-hmm. So Judah and I are gonna get some water for our drinking water. All right, you wanna show them how to do it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh no, that's not how you do it. Oh.
Can you turn it on?
Yeah. Here, I gotta sit down the camera.
I'll hold the camera.
Okay, you can hold the camera. Just make sure you can see what you're, look at right here. Okay, make sure you can see. Rinse out the bucket a little bit. Fill her
I
up.
think those weak things.
No, I think it's okay. Good job. We really ought to figure out a way to make this a little bit easier to get the buckets under here, because it's kind of a pain to be holding it like this. Maybe build the next ones up higher or something.
Or make that part
Hold the camera.
stronger.
Hold the camera. When, oh no. Oh no.
At least the water's coming out good.
Yeah, I guess it is.
We don't want to waste too much. We have a word bad water.
Blood. Oh, my teeth are stuck.
Your boots are stuck?
Okay. Usually that doesn't happen. Makes me feel kind of like a pioneer though. Every time we come get water. Makes me really glad for running water when we go someplace else. I wouldn't trade it. It's better than being in the city where we were, even though it's a little harder. You got some buckets? Look at your boots.
What?
They're just caked in mud.
They're not caked.
Is that why they're called mud boots?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but they're not all going to fit in them. I'm not going to kill you, but
Well, we'll just put them in the wagon. We don't have to carry them.
I'm going to go comfortable with that kind of
Okay. If you're wondering how long it takes us to go through a load in the Berkey, it holds 5 gallons and it'll usually last us like a day and a half if we are consistently drinking it. So it's a pretty good size for us. Like I said, it's the biggest one that they had, so I don't know how that compares to other families, but you know, with 8 people drinking water, we can go through it pretty fast. Uh-oh. I'll have to come back for this one. Come on. Come on. There we go. Farm in the yard. Oh gosh. Did you wake up? Yeah. Are you sleepy still? Hey, stop. Silly. Don't do that. Watch out, Judah. Here, take this one.
I just want to stick this in a way that
That's not.
Is it rainwater?
Yeah.
That is the puppy goat water.
Hi, Bosie. Did you have a good nap? What do you got? Is that yummy? You be shy? Now we brought it in, and I'm going to show you how we filter it so we can drink it. So we're not going to drink it like that. We're going to filter it first before we even put it in the Berkey. Yeah, okay. We are super excited to go to Baker Creek this weekend for the Spring Planting Festival. We've never been, so if you've been before, tell us what we should check out, what we shouldn't miss. Thanks for coming along with us, and we will see you in Baker Creek. Alright.
She's disinformed.
Hey, come here. Out of the way. Come on, out of the way. Alright, we're gonna try this again. That was a disaster.